Welcome back, Bulldogs. This video is going to explain how to add another teacher to your course and also how to create groups with your students inside of your courses. So I'm going to work in the ACSD Canvas account or classroom, which was our training classroom from the spring, in order to actually have students inside of the class to show you. So you'll click on the class that you would like to add students to or add a teacher to. You click on People. And when you click on people, the people who are currently in your class will pop in. You just need to, in order to add a teacher or a specialist, you're going to click on people. We're going to use our email addresses and then your Athens City email address. Once you check to make sure you've typed it in correctly, you're going to choose the role of who you're adding. So if you're adding this as a person as a teacher or as a TA, you're going to click on that. When you do, you click Next. Once you click Next, it gives you this notice that they're ready to be added, but they are not added yet. So you have to click the Add Users button. When you do that, the teacher that you invite will receive an email and they will have a pending next to their name. So once they accept that invitation to be a teacher in your course, pending will go away and you will be added into this account. Now, the next thing that you can do is you can build groups for your students. So in order to add groups, you can click on plus groups or add group set. And when you do, you give it a name. So I'm just going to say science, because I haven't used that one yet. You can do allow self sign-in, require group members to be in the same section. You can split the students based on numbers, like if you want each group to have 4 or 5 in it, or what I prefer is that I'll create groups manually. So this is important when you want to put specific kids with specific assignments. So I'll create groups manually, hit the save button, and when you do, an entire list alphabetically of the people who are the students and teachers who are assigned to your class will pop in. All you have to do at that point is click on the Add button next to their name and you'll create your group. The other way that you can do that, or where you can manually create, or you can find people to assign those to, is an assignment. So when you click on your assignment, and you hit Edit, you get all of the information at the bottom under the rich text editor that you can work on. Right here is where you're going to look to assign this to everyone, or you can change that and you can assign it to any of your specific students that are logged into this, or any of your specific students, or your groups will show up underneath here. Or you can start typing in someone's name or email address and they will pop in underneath. You can click on it and that person will be assigned. You can then unclick everyone else and this assignment would just go to me. So once you have modified an assignment and you want to assign it to specific students, you would use the group option. Or if you have 2 different groups of students in the same class and you would like the same assignment only modified with different options, you can do that in this area. So with group, one teacher assigns it to her group of students, the other teacher modifies that assignment and then assigns it to his or her group of students. And then you're ready to go. An individual copy goes to each of those students. So I'm going to switch this back so that you can see everyone, right? So if I wanted everyone, I just clicked E. And then at the end, you're going to hit Save to make sure that you've assigned it to that group of students. Okay? So easy. Try it. If you have questions, make sure you let us know. Great job, everyone. Have a great day. Good work on all of our activities and events. Great job, Bulldog.